Morning dear students, today we are going to start our new class, but before starting our class, let us take a pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the speed of the spread of the deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water together. We will win the fight against COVID 19. Now, let us start our study of the day. Okay, now we are going to start our 8th question. How many 4-digit numbers can you form with the numerals 2695 without repeating any digits? So in our assignment we have done this question. Now let me explain this question to you. Now in this question, what did they said? Find a 4-digit number. So firstly we shall know how many places are there in the 4-digit number. So in a 4-digit number we are having ones, tens, hundred and thousand places. So the numbers which are given to us are 2, 6, 9 and 5. How many numbers they are given to us? 2, 6, 9 and 5. So firstly, if we put any number at any place, suppose we put any number at the 1000 place, the possibilities of the numbers are 4 because we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4 numbers. So the possibilities to fill the 1000 place are 4. Now if we had filled a number here, then the possibilities to fill a number on the 100 place will be 3. If we fill the number at here, and then the possibilities on the 10th place will be 2 and the possibility of 1's place will be 1. सिंपली इसका मीनिंग क्या है कि अगर हमारे पास कोई 4 डिजिट्स हैं, अगर हम उन 4 डिजिट में से एक डिजिट को फिल कर देते हैं 1000 प्लेस पे, तो हमारे पास कितने रिमेनिंग डिजिट बचते हैं? 3. अगर उन 3 डिजिट में से हम 1 डिजिट को प्लेस कर देते हैं 100 प्लेस पे, तो हमारे पास कितने डिजिट्स बचते हैं? 2. अगर हम उन 2 डिजिट में से किसी एक डिजिट को यहाँ पे प्लेस कर देते हैं तो हमारे पास 10th प्लेस के लिए कितने डिजिट्स बनते हैं? ओनली 1. अब उन्होंने क्या बोला है? विदाउट रेपिटेशन. तो अब अगर हम विदाउट रेपिटेशन करें तो हमारे पास ये बनता है. तो हमारे पास टोटल नंबर्स कितने बनते हैं? 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 एंड देन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1. सो 4 3s are 12. 12 into 2 into 1. 12 2s are 24. 24 1s are 24. So our answer is 24, means we can make 24 numbers, 24 possibilities, 24 numbers by using these 4 digits on the 4 places without the repetition. Okay, clear to everyone? So now in the assignment, what is our next question? 100, 1000, 10,000 and then lakh. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. So that is our 6-digit number. So what is in the next line of the question? The highest place. What is the highest place? The lakhs. The 1000 place. This is the 1000 place. And the ones place. This place have the same digits and their sum is 24. So what did they said? At all these places they are same and the sum is 24. So let us take these numbers as x, then what will be happen? X plus x plus x is equals to 24. It is the given thing. So x plus x plus x, that would be 3x. 3x is equals to 24. So how we can find the value of x? Dividing 3 this sides. X is equals to 24 by 3, that would be 8. So the value of x comes 8. So now moving to our next line, the tens place value is 5 less than 1000 place value. So what is x? X is the value of lakh, thousand and the ones. So what did they said? That the tens place is equal to 1000 place minus 5. So what it means? What is the value of thousands place? It is 8. So 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. That is the value of tens place. So now moving next. In next line, what did they said? The 100 place value is twice and the 100 place value is twice. What did they said? That the 100 place value is twice of the tens place. So what is the value of tens place we find? The value of tens place is 3. What is the value of next is? The value of 100 place is twice. So the value of 100 place क्या होगी हमारे पास? That would be twice. Twice मतलब when we multiply 3 with 2, that comes twice. That is called twice. When we multiply any term with 2, that is called twice. Moving next, the 100 place value is twice and the 10,000 place is thrice the tens place. So what did they said? That the 10,000 place is thrice of tens place. What is tens place? 3. So thrice means multiplying any term with 3, that is 9. So now we get some numbers. So what they are? They are 8 at lakh, thousand and tens place. Let me make it clean. We are having a number ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and then lakh. Now from the beginning, let me make a number. What did they said? The lakh, thousand and the ones place are similar. So what is the value of ones place? That is 8. Let us fill 8 here, here and here. 8 and 8 again. What did we find the next? We find the value of tens place. What is the value of tens place? It is 3. So put 3 at tens place. Moving next, what is the value of 100 place? The value of 100 places is 6. Moving next, what is the value of 10,000? That is 9. So put 9 here. So what is our number? 8,98,638. What is our number? 8,98,638. That is our answer. That is done for the class. Have a nice day. So our next question is, write the number in the expanded form. So let me tell you how to write a number in the expanded form. So firstly, we are having a number 5,30,078. So firstly, how to write a number in expanded form? Firstly, write the place value of each number and then firstly, what is the place value of 5 lakh? Just multiply 5 with 1 lakh. That is the place value of 5 plus what is the place value of 33,000? What is the place value of 3? 3 multiplied by 10,000 plus what is the place value of 0? 0 multiplied by 1000 plus what is the place value of this 0 which is at 100 place? 0 multiplied by 100 plus what is this place value? The 7 is at 10's place, so 7 multiplied by 10 plus what is the place value of 8? 8 is on 1's place, so 8 multiplied by 1. So we all know how to write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and then lakh and then so on. So next question is 34,56,090. 34,56,090. So similarly, what is the place value of this 3? The place value of 3 will be 3 multiplied by 10 lakh plus 4 multiplied by 1 lakh plus 6 multiplied by firstly 5 multiplied by 10,000 plus 6 multiplied by 1000 plus 0 multiplied by 100 plus 9 multiplied by 10 plus 0 multiplied by 1. That is the expanded form. So how we write any number in their expanded form? We just write down the place value and then add those numbers that are known as the expanded form of any number. Let's move to the next question. What is the next question? Write in the short form. So we are given with a number, we have to write that number in the short form. Firstly, what we have done, we have the short numbers, we just expand those numbers. In next question, what we have to do, that we are having the expanded form and we have to write it in a simpler form. Okay, let's have a look for the first question. What is in the first question? In first question, we are having a statement. Firstly, let me write down the statement. The statement is 3 multiplied by 10 lakh plus 3 multiplied by 10,000 plus 3 multiplied by 100 plus 3. So what they have written? They just said that write that term into a short form. So how to write down a term in a short form? Firstly, multiply it. When we multiply 3 with 10 lakh, what we get? 30 lakh plus 3 into 10,000 will be 30,000 plus 3 into 100 will be 300 plus 3. Now add the terms. Add the ones value. What it is? 0, 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. What it would be? 3 itself. Next, on the tens place there is 0, 0, 0. So similarly here it is 0. On the 100 place there is 3 plus 0 plus 0. That will be 3 itself. What is next? Thousands place there is 0, 0. So there will be 0. Moving to 10,000 place, 3. There again 0. So 3 itself. Next moving 0 and 3. That is the short form of a number. So this is the method to write down the short form of any number. So let us move to the next question. What is our next question? In the next question, what did they said? What is the face value of a number 3 in this number?
So there are two things, face value and place value. Face value means the value of the number itself. Means in this question, what is the face value of 3? So the face value of 3 will be 3 itself. फेस वैल्यू मीन्स कि वही नंबर, उसी नंबर को उस नंबर का फेस वैल्यू बोलते हैं. जैसे अब इस इन दिस क्वेश्चन व्हाट डिड इट आस्क, दे जस्ट आस्क व्हाट इज द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 3. सो फेस की 3 की फेस वैल्यू कितनी है? 3 itself. Next is what is the place value of a number 5 in a number 15886. So place value क्या होता है? Okay, let me tell you what is the place value. We are having a question 15,886. So in the question what did they ask? They just asked to write down the place value of this 5. So how to write down the place value of 5? Let's check out the position. What is the position of 5? Ones, tens, 100, then 1000. So just multiply 5 with 1000, that would be 5000. That is the place value of 5. So this is the method to write down the place value of any number. What is the next question? Next question is find the sum of the place values of 7 in 43 lakh. So next number is 43,07,026,786. So in this question what did they ask? Find the sum of the place values of 7 in this number. So firstly write down the number 43,07,026,787. Firstly count it. It is written in the international system, so count it according to the international system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So what is the place value of this 7? Place value of 7 at one's place, that is 7 multiplied by 1. Next, similarly place value of 7 at what is this position? 10 ones, tens, then hundreds. Place value of 7 at hundreds, that would be 7 multiplied by 100, which is equals to 700. Next, place value of 7 at what is this position? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, and then 100,000. At 100,000 place, that would be 7 multiplied by 100,000. So that would be 700,000. So next, now adding all these terms, 7 plus 700 plus 700,000, that would be on ones place there is 7, on tens place there is 0, and on hundreds place there is 7, and there again 0, 0 and 7. That is our answer. Next question is similar to this. In this next question we have to find out the difference, so try it by yourself. And the next question is let me read the statement. Find the 6-digit numbers in which the highest place and thousands place and ones place have the same digits and their sum is 24. The tens place value is 5 less than thousands place value. The hundreds place value is twice the 10,000 place is thrice the tens place. Okay, what they said in first lines, find a 6-digit number. Let us look what are 6 digit made of. Ones, tens, hundreds.